Top-rated schools with a private, fenced backyard in West Knoxville. You'll love the 2-story foyer and open floor plan between kitchen and living room. Newer stainless steel appliances and a private deck make entertaining a breeze. Main level boasts hardwood flooring and luxury vinyl plank, while newer carpet is in the bedrooms. Upstairs includes 3 bedrooms plus a huge bonus room. The master bedroom offers a tray ceiling and 3 windows, providing abundance of natural light. Top-notch location just minutes to Carl Cowan Park, featuring Loudon Lake and Northshore Town Center.